this is the best time to become an income investor or delve more into being an income investor that I have seen in over 20 years. Right now, you can get a 1 year and 2 year T-bill. That's a treasury bond that matures over the short term. You're getting over 5%. By the way, they're free from state income tax. You only pay federal tax on those. And you can even put a zero coupon bond into an IRA. You can put into a zero coupon bond into a taxable account too. With the market down the way it is, with anything that pays an interest rate or a dividend being down because treasury bills are now competitive for interest rates with stocks, you have an opportunity to have a different kind of portfolio that relies more on dependable interest and less on undependable stocks. Now, I know what you're going to say. Stocks are more dependable over the very long term. And I certainly believe that because they've delivered more return over the long term. But at a certain age and point of your life, a certain portion of your portfolio would start to shift into income producing and more stable kinds of assets. And we've got the best environment to do that now than we've seen in over 20 years.